from pole down towards the season. The braking zone, 5 lights ahead of the drivers. Lights out, it's lights out. And Lance Stroll's car, and we have 19 on the grid, then 1 in the pit lane. It's lights out.
Unstoppable journeys are everywhere. We're not talking about famous victories or world records. We're talking about everyday journeys. Your small ones and your big ones. From keeping an entire fleet moving on land or at sea, to readying your customers for the road ahead. At Gulf, we're always finding ways to support life's unstoppable journeys. Gulf, together we're unstoppable.
All right, good evening everyone. Jongo here with these two guys. Miles is late, that's why yan yung photo niya dyan. That's the price of being late. Good evening everyone. Welcome to the Purple Sector. And it's Ferrari time. Yam, good evening. Yam boy, ikaw muna.
Yeah. Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we'll be talking about the Monaco Grand Prix, the recently concluded Monaco Grand Prix. Wala masyado nangyari, but we are here to celebrate the podium of the first Monegasque to win the Monaco Grand Prix. So stay tuned. And Andy, how are you?
Yes, that's right. Good evening, good morning, wherever, whenever you are watching this. Welcome, everyone, again to the Purple Sector. This is, of course, our Monaco Grand Prix post-race show. And, okay, I'll admit right off the bat, wala masyadong nangyari. Wala masyado. But, let me just do this properly. He's done it! Charles Leclerc broken the Monaco curse. He's done it, everyone.
Finally,
So,
na-break niya yung curse. Yeah.
Everyone, well, if you're in red, everyone rejoice. Kasi nanalo sa Monaco.
Yeah, we have to celebrate because
Yeah, we have to celebrate.
it's one for the books.
Well,
Yeah.
yes.
At
It's
saka,
been quite a few years, no?
Yep.
Quite
Ano
a few
few
years
years?
since
Yeah.
Charlie. So,
When
Yeah.
No, aside from
Yeah.
that, he also crashed remember that classic F1 car where there was something a celebration. He even crashed that one. So the curse was, everybody was saying that the curse was really real, even on a not racing whatsoever or racing na crash pa yung
Showdown
F1
lang.
Showdown
Racing
diba?
showdown.
But I think the curse is it's broken. So happy for Charles, and Miles is still not here. So yun. So I think we have this, we have this prediction. I think, Yam, if I can remember, we have this prediction that we made after the live last week, last Tuesday.
Yeah.
We posted the predictions. So I think we have a winner. We're gonna announce
Yeah,
it
we
later.
have a winner.
Yep. And of course, the winner will
Nanalo.
get. There you go, a Williams Golf Williams Racing cap from Golf, and of course, since that Charles won, we're gonna give you out this bag tag. No, not your bag. All right, I guess he won't be saying that right now for Charles. And of course, for our question and answer, the top prize will be giving out the Pirelli Cup. Thank you so much, Pirelli. And two, TPS, the purple sector caps right there. So stand by for that one later on the show. And right now, Mr. Yamnalysis, let's start. And Miles, wala pa. So that's what you get if you are late. BWT, I think that's Alpine,
Alpine.
Yeah.
Yeah, Alpine.
Oo.
Sorry, Miles. Late ka eh. Okay.
Wait, before we proceed, Jong, wala bang photos dyan from the
Oh,
live
tama.
viewing?
Forgot. Yeah. Muntik na. Yep, of course. Last weekend was also one of the few. I think it's only one of the kasi 14 lang yata, 14 or 15 live watch party. Okay, so we had one on the basement. Unfortunately, medyo we didn't have a very good outing due to, I think everybody was really scared of the weather. So, and aside from that, I was also very late to join that live watch party since my plane was delayed due to the storm as well. So, but right now, nevertheless, our friends from the F1PH live viewing community had a blast for the Monaco Grand Prix. So this is some of the photos right there, and I think majority of the party goers right here are really rooting for Charles Leclerc. So ito yun. So we're very, so I think they're very glad to, finally a Ferrari on the top podium. So although, syempre, kung minsan natatakot ka rin baka yung ni Charles, baka ang tawag diyan, yung curse baka on the last lap bumangga bigla or whatsoever. Di ba?
Yeah. I almost actually I was praying for Charles kasi every time may clear na yung daan, may nangyayari pa kay Charles eh. Kasi I think 2 or 3 laps remaining, he said, I'll just bring this home.
Yeah.
So parang doon, parang medyo nag-attention ako. Oy. Bantayan natin to.
Oh.
Baka ma-jinx pa na.
Baka biglang bumalik.
Oh, baka ma-jinx or what, no? So I remember there was a few races that last lap, lamang ka, biglang naputokan ng gulong, biglang naubusan ng gasolina, ang dami, biglang
Max
nag-crash.
Verstappen, it happened to Max Verstappen at di ba? Azerbaijan.
Oh, yes, tama. Anong
Yeah.
year ba yun? I forgot that year.
2022.
Yeah,
I think 2022.
okay. So there we go.
So, yun.
So, F1 live viewing community, there we go. Thank you so much for making us part of it. And of course, ayun, nakasulat kanina, that's the Spanish Grand Prix, which I think, when ba tong Spanish Grand Prix? Anybody can see anyway, we don't have our phones right now. Teka, yeah, I have an F1 app right here. So Spanish Grand Prix would be the next live viewing party, which I
June
think,
23.
June 23.
June 23.
Okay.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kasi Canada pa, madaling araw yung Canada. Puyat na naman ako niyan.
Yeah.
Tapos
yun.
Jong, batiin natin itong mga
Yeah.
mga very excited na mga fans ng F1.
Ayun, Joshua. Thank you for that. June 23. Gil Bautista, because he have tears in his eyes already 2 laps to go. Wow. Yeah! Nagka-tears biglang bumangga, no? Okay.
Exactly.
Ito si
Ka
Carl.
na.
Ito si Carl. Ayun, si Miles nandiyan na. Miles, nandiyan ka na ba? Ito, Miles. Wait.
Yan.
Ayan.
Miles, nandiyan ka na?
Miles.
Ayun.
Sorry to be
Yes.
late.
Yep. There we go.
Wait,
Mic check muna, mic check.
Mic check. Oh, Miles, batiin mo muna yung mga ano natin.
Okay,
tonight.
check 1 2 microphone.
Good. You're good.
Good.
Thank you. Good evening, guys.
Nawala. Miles, nawala ang audio mo.
Mas nawala yung audio.
Okay.
Ayun.
Audio.
Yan.
Ayun.
Okay.
Yep. Ayun, nawala na naman. Yep.
I think Mas is playing with his settings at the way.
Technical
Yeah.
difficulties.
Ano pa? Oh, yan.
Oh, batiin muna natin, Jong. Hill Bautista, Leclerc, P1, P2,
Pito.
Joshua. I was really praying that Ferrari won't pull the old-fashioned strat. Joshua, I think for this year we don't have to worry about that because I think they're doing well dun sa strategy nila, no?
Yes.
Tapos Jared Cunanan, good evening mga sir. Good evening to you, Jared. Baba mo,
ito,
Jong.
we are checking. Miles, we are checking. Okay.
Okay. Uy,
Ganun.
nakakailang race
Miss
na
na natin
pero wala
yung-
pa ring rain weather race.
Yeah.
Good for that.
correct,
Okay.
correct. Yeah.
Yeah, Carl. And I think the curse of Charles Leclerc pinaalis na ni Conrad Calore.
Carl, anong
Si
feeling,
Savi.
Carl? There's no stroll on site, so it's good. Yeah.
Denise Marie Layage, good evening to you.
Yes, good
Denise,
evening,
goosebumps
Denise.
on the last 10 laps.
Yeah.
Correct. Hill Bautista, curse is over. There's no stroll on site, so it's good. Baba pa, Jong.
Yeah, wala na. Yun na yun.
Nandito,
Yun na
doon
ba
pa
yun?
sa dulo.
Nag-cut na
So,
si
baba pa.
nag-cut na si
Nag-cut
Oh,
na.
nag-cut na si Restream. Ayun, nag-cut na siya. Curses
Ah,
over.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's too many. Sorry. Hindi namin ano.
Yeah, talagang everyone is celebrating talaga.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Everyone
everyone is
is
celebrating. Yeah.
Yun,
We are
Vincent
checking,
Mendoza,
we
good
are
evening.
checking.
There we go.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so
All right.
yeah, analysis time. Miles is not yet here, so Miles, he's checking. Miles is checking. Yep.
He's
Just
checking, he's checking.
Sandali lang po.
Yep.
He's
Okay.
Some technical difficulty.
Yep.
Okay,
Okay.
I read kanina kung sino man siya na wala na eh. Anyway, tinatanong niya ako, Jong, kung saan ko daw nakuha itong P1, P2, P3 na nandito
Okay.
sa slide
Okay.
nito. This is the do-it-yourself homemade ano bang term nito?
DIY.
DIY.
Oh, DIY. Do it.
Hindi, itong anong tawag nito, Jong?
Lapboard. Sorry.
Pitboard. Yeah,
Pitboard,
pitboard.
sorry.
So,
Pitboard.
ginawa ko
Justin
lang
Dominic
po
yun.
yan.
Si Justin Dominic Villalon yung nagtatanong.
Yeah, Justin, ginawa ko lang yan. If you message us, I'll teach you how para at least meron kang display sa kwarto mo. Okay.
Yes. Ay, wait. Yam, kadali. Meron tong sana. Hill Bautista, Sir Miles, Plan B +2. Ayun. Sundin mo, Miles. Ikaw na bahala dyan.
So, yan. Yan na, may strat ka na.
Ano
May
to?
strat ka na ha. May
strategy
engineer
na.
na.
You're inventing. Okay.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Formula 1 Grand Prix de Monaco qualifying. All right. First ones who were eliminated, we have Alonso having problems with the car. Yan, si Alonso. Then we have Logan Sargent. Perez having problems with the driver. Bottas and Zhou Guanyu. Yan ang mga unang natanggal. Tapos, eliminated in Q2, we have Esteban Ocon, Nico Hulkenberg, Daniel Ricciardo, Lance Stroll, and Kevin Magnussen. Okay, makikita dito, The two Haas is 12 and 15 respectively. And then after that, here's the Q3. Si Max hit the wall during the last seconds of the Q3. Kaya inabandon niya na yung run na niya na yon kasi useless na. And Oscar Piastri was trailing Charles Leclerc pero hindi pa din niya naabutan yung oras ni Charles. Kaya congratulations, Charles!
Yep.
Nakuha niya ang P1 for the Monaco Grand Prix. So, the top three, we have Charles Leclerc, Oscar Piastri, and Carlos Sainz. Okay. Jong,
Yep.
matagal-tagal ka na din nanonood ng F1. Anong naramdaman mo na we can see on our screens nasa top 3 na naman yung Ferrari, yung McLaren, yung ganon?
Yes,
Sige,
actually
ikaw.
this is a kumbaga hindi naman surprising but something that you cannot see Max on there. So kumbaga sorry
Refreshing.
about that. I'm not saying that I don't like Red Bull but still kumbaga it feels like that those two icons, the red one and the orange one, well, these are always yun yung parati nakikita no. So ngayon para bang wow, something new, something different. And we really thought that when the start of the season that Max is gonna go all the way again. So this is something different. This is, we're not yet on the halfway. This is round number 7 ba? 6, tama ba? If I'm not mistaken. No, it's just the stages of the season. So, and we see this, different icons right there of the team. So, medyo nakaka something to look forward to. Oh, Miles is here. Miles, how are you?
Miles!
Checking?
Check
Yes.
natin. Sige.
Marami.
Alright.
Wala.
Okay. So,
Wala pa din.
Strategy.
Sige daw,
Hello?
Miles. Ano nangyari?
Check.
Yan,
Just
okay,
checking.
go.
Okay.
yan. Nag-check pa yung internet niya. There, Miles.
Okay.
Ano pa rin? Putol.
Yes.
Wala.
Ah,
Napuputol kasi yung
Yeah.
audio ng screen niya.
puputol ka sa audio. Anyway,
Yep, go.
top 4, we have Lando Norris, George Russell, Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton, Yuki Tsunoda, Alexander Albon, and Pierre Gasly. Okay, just to review ha, itong top 5 hindi pa nananalo sa Monaco Grand Prix. Yeah, si Max Verstappen lang ang nanalo. So itong top 5 and hindi pa natin alam masyado kahit nauna si Charles, di natin alam. Baka nga yun, palpak na naman yung strategy, biglang mabuhay ng todo itong kotse ni Oscar Piastri. 'Di ba? Marami tayong mga iniisip eh. And then buti na lang sa awa ng Diyos
Yeah.
na nagtuloy-tuloy naman yung si Charles. Ito na ang re-reviewin natin na karera, no? So, before we proceed to the race, here's the news. Haas drivers Magnussen and Hülkenberg disqualified from the Monaco qualifying after DRS infringement. Nico Hülkenberg and Kevin Magnussen qualified 12 and 15 respectively and at the famous street circuit, but were disqualified from the session due to a non-compliant rear wing element. Parang yung pag-on yata ng DRS medyo mas malapad kumpara dun sa regular. So both drivers will start from the pit. Okay, this will be very useful when we review the race. So both Haas drivers will start from the pit. And then, eto na nga, yung karera. Lights out and away they go. We see here, Charles Leclerc, talagang hindi na nagpalugi. Medyo nabitin pa ng konti itong McLaren ni Oscar Piastri, kaya pagdating niya dito,
Muntik.
medyo closer na sila. Yeah, closer na sila ni Carlos Sainz dito. And eventually, here in this area, pagdating ng turn 1, nagkaroon ng konting contact which caused a puncture to the left front tire of Carlos Sainz. Makikita natin dito. Dito biglang nagkaroon ng malaking gap na between Oscar Piastri and Carlos Sainz. And from the distance, dito makikita na natin, sparks are flying. Ibig sabihin, yung kotse ni Carlos is hindi na balanse, nakadikit na sa semento. Dahil nga, nagkaroon ng puncture and damage dun sa kanyang suspension.
Grabe reaction ko dyan. I was watching the race.
Yeah, because we are thinking na baka magkaroon ng malaking disgrasya, no? And
Yes, exactly.
Mahirap kasi pag magkaroon ng disgrasya pag dito sa top 4, top 5, di ba? Kasi wala, bagsak agad sila, and then the itong mga nasa likod would occupy
chain
their
reaction na
spaces.
yan.
Yeah.
Chain reaction. So eto, may sparks na nga lumalabas, tapos hindi na actually umiikot sa onboard ni Carlos Sainz, hindi na umiikot yung kanyang front left tire, and eventually nagkaroon siya ng lock up dito. Buti nakailag si Lando Norris dahil eto na nga, nagtuloy-tuloy na siya dun sa runoff area. And then, after that, nag-yellow flag. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ha. Okay, nag-yellow flag na, pero wala pang line-up ng mga pangalan. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa lahat nakalampas doon sa linya para
First sector.
makuha nila lahat ang mga, para makuha nila yung real time ng mga kotse. So, it is also useful as we go along, no? Nandito na sila sa slowest turn of the calendar, pero wala pa ding pangalan dito sa gilid na ito. So nakita natin, yellow flag pa din, sector 1 and 2. And eventually, after the tunnel and after that big chicane, nag-red flag na ang karera. So, hindi natin alam, ano nangyari? Bakit nag-red flag? Nabangga ba, kailangan ba talagang iligpit yung kotse ni Carlos Sainz?
Carlos
And then
Sainz,
after
yes,
that, the camera panned and there was this
Chaos.
chaos, yes. There was this chaos on the last
Kagulo pala.
the last cars, no? Meron pang huli dito si Zhou Guanyu. Nahuli pa siya pero nakita niya lahat kung ano nangyari dito sa dalawang Haas and sa Red Bull. Ito na yung mga nagkalat na carbon fiber on the racetrack. So kailangang iligpit. That's why they called the red flag. And eto na nga, naging three-wheeler na ang
Grabe,
Honda ni
If you look
Oh.
at that, sa bagay, it's not a high-speed racetrack. So, but
yeah.
grabe. Durog talaga.
Imagine if high speed ito, Jong. If
Yeah.
high speed ito, 'di ba?
Oh.
So baka mas malaki pa yung damage na yan. And
Oh.
then we see K-Mag's car right here and yung nadamay sa
Yan ang-
kalokohan.
Yun ang
Si-
gusto ko.
Ito ang
Nadamay pa si
talagang
Alcantara.
sayang.
Yeah.
Diba? Now, we mentioned earlier on the race na na-disqualify itong dalawa sa qualifying. So, ibig sabihin, they started in the pit.
Yep.
Pero bakit kasama nila si
Checo.
Sergio Perez dyan, di ba? Yun ang nakapagtataka. May problema ba dun sa launch ni Perez? Hindi natin alam kasi wala masyadong coverage doon sa start ng race up to the end of
Sa likod, yes.
the grid, no? So, kung ako si Christian, kahit walang kasalanan, pero it's like when, as you can remember, yung nangyari between George Russell and Bottas,
Yep.
when Bottas was still with Mercedes, na nagkabanggaan si Bottas and si Russell. Ang may kasalanan nun is si Russell, pinilit niya. Pero ang pinagalitan ni Toto Wolff is si Bottas. bakit nakikipagkarera ka dun sa mga huli na kotse, di ba? Iba din mag-isip si Toto Wolff dun. So probably baka pagdating sa debrief, yun din ang sasabihin ni Christian, bakit nandun ka sa huli? Di ba?
Yeah.
Guys, ano sa tingin mo?
Yeah.
Ay, ikaw, Andy,
Hmm.
ano sa tingin mo ang nangyari? Bakit, di ba?
Well, alam naman natin na if you've been following F1 in the recent years, at least, talagang Checo and Monaco do not mix. Alam na natin yan.
But he won
Palaging
there.
nahihirapan.
Pero si Checo
sa Monaco.
nanalo dyan, ha?
Lagi
Nanalo
siya
si,
problema.
yeah, nanalo si Checo dyan, remember?
pero-
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
because of
siya,
luck.
pero-
Because of luck. Because
Yeah.
of swerte.
Okay.
Nahihirapan siya. Napansin ko yan eh. Every year talaga there's something up with Checo and Monaco. Something always happens. I'm not quite sure ano nangyari sa kanya in this particular situation. Nagtaka nga ako bakit nagtaka rin ako bakit na dumating siya doon almost dead last, 'di ba? Racing with the Hases.
Checo.
Maybe he
was
just had a
sabi
bad
sa-
launch. Posible yan, no? Anong sabi
Tama,
ng
tama.
comment section natin, Checo? Because
Checo
of-
won
Alright,
because
sige.
of Sabi. I think
Yeah,
because of
correct.
the strategy of
Sa, di ba?
tama. Thank
box,
you,
box,
Hill.
box.
Na.
Box,
Thank
box, box,
you,
and
no?
then stay out. Di ba?
Thank
Yun
you,
yung
Hill. Yes,
nangyari.
yes. That's what happened. Tama.
Nasa grid
Yun
sila,
pala,
sir.
no?
Parang di ko sila napansin lumabas sa pit. Well, hindi ko din napansin, pero since they were disqualified sa qualifying,
yeah,
wala
we would have
silang-
started.
numero. Wala silang number.
Mm,
So, yun lang sa akin, ha.
that's right.
Probably nasa ano sila. Pero regardless, we are talking about Checo Perez. Bakit he was involved in that
Yeah.
tumas? Parang
But
gano'n.
bigla kang umabot doon. Parang something like that.
Oo, bakit parang
Kasi sa
Checo
qualifying-
nasa Red Bull
sa
ka,
qualifying
di ba?
Yeah.
Oo.
Alright.
Imagine
Ayun eh.
the two Haas cars started at the real back of the
Yeah.
Like
So,
literal na back
anyway.
of the grid.
Miles, you're good.
So-
You could Wait. Yeah. Miles, you can talk?
Yeah, try natin.
Audio check na, Miles.
Yo.
Yeah. You're right. Sige daw, Miles.
Okay.
Anything you can add about that, about that why Checo ended up on that part of the track?
Say good evening. Say good evening to everyone watching us in Facebook and in YouTube. Sorry to be late. Got some
Problems with your audio, Miles.
regarding the incident of check guys mga onboards. Sorry. Wala. No
Ewan
audio?
ko, ba't hindi na,
Napuputol
napuputol yung
talaga
ano
yung
mo, Miles?
audio ni Miles.
Napuputol yung audio mo.
Putol pa din yung audio mo, Miles.
Let me check. Let me check.
Okay.
Maybe you could use your
Sige,
phone
sige.
instead.
Sounds like
Try the phone instead na lang. Alright. Sige. Miles will try the
Sige.
phone. Okay.
And
Well,
then,
welcome back
while
to
we
Miles.
Okay, yeah.
Oo.
Red flag recap on... sige, go.
on contacts and crashes. Okay. Yun ang pinaka the best na nangyari dun sa karera eh. Alam natin. Alam natin because it's Monaco, di ba?
Yeah.
Hanapan na lang natin ng maganda, no?
Yeah,
Because
oo.
hindi pa natin alam yung resulta eh. So hanapan natin
Yeah.
ng maganda. Anyway, nag-red flag naman sila. So first part is Piastri Sainz contact. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng puncture doon sa left front tire ni Carlos Sainz. And itong contact na ito, medyo napatalon din ako kasi baka nga magkaroon ng disgrasya pa. Alam naman natin, Carlos Sainz has nothing to lose na, di ba? So, hindi natin alam kung anong nasa ulo niya. Buti na lang din at yan lang yung nangyari. And then, next, ito na nga yung resulta na DNF na siya supposed to be, di ba? Kung hindi lang
Yes,
na red flag.
that's what I thought too.
Kung hindi lang na red flag yung karera, DNF na yan.
Saved by the
Okay.
crash.
Yes.
Exactly.
And then, ito yung sinasabi ko,
Yeah.
huling-huli na itong si
Joe Guan Yu.
this is the last
Joe.
car. Maganda kasi ang launch ng okay, tama. They
Tumama siya.
they started sa grid pala because of the onboard. Yeah, correct. They started dead last on the grid because of their onboard. Tama.
Not
I
from the
remember,
pits.
correct. Thank you very much. Sino yun? Si Hill. Okay. So, here's the two Hases and we have Sergio Perez here. Kita natin yung linya ni Perez, nandito siya banda ha. Nandiyan siya sa linya na yan. And then suddenly, makikita din sa onboard ni Perez na he was looking left and he was looking right. Bakit niya bibigyan ng lugar itong si Hülkenberg dito? Medyo malayo pa siya. So, medyo maluwang na itong dito na area eh. Pero pinilit pa din niya na to veer on the right side. So, ang next photo niyan, ayan na nga, naipit na niya si Kevin Magnussen, kaya umikot na itong kotse ni Perez, and natibo na siya eventually, nagtuloy-tuloy na papunta sa wall. Akala ni Nico,
Safe na siya.
safe na siya. Kasi ay salamat, nakuha na ng teammate. Thank you, Kevin. Biglang ito na nga, nagkaroon ng impact dito, tapos umatras yung kotse ni Checo papunta doon sa kotse ni Nico Hülkenberg. So ibang angle naman itong crash na ito. Ito na yung pa-side view. Ilag si Nico. Oo. Pag ilag niya, hindi na nakayanan, naabutan yung kanyang right rear tire, and eventually he spun. Ito. So resulting for the two DNFs for the two Hases. Kawawa. Magkano ang damage ng dalawang kotse na yan? Plus the $3 million, 3 million euro damage of Checo Perez's car. So a very useless silang dalawa, sabi nila, a very unnecessary thing to do, pero well,
Yeah.
this saved Carlos Sainz actually,
So basically,
because kahit
Yeah.
kahit nagpuncture na si Carlos, however, he was able to reach the pits with the own car's power, own cars so napunta pa siya doon. And kanina we mentioned na hindi pa naka-line up yung mga kotse na nag-red flag na. So wala pang line up, wala pang times nung mga kotse. So ibig sabihin, kung ano yung umpisa nung grid, yun din ang pag-restart. Kaya this incident right here saved Carlos Sainz race.
yeah.
Swerte.
So
Okay.
just to be, para ma-clarify lang, no? So, I think the term was, hindi pa na-classify. Wala pang classification
okay,
yung mga
correct.
kotse. Hindi pa nila naabot yung unang timing yung unang linya for timing. Kaya, according to the rules, pag hindi pa umabot sa first line, babalik sa grid position lahat ng mga remaining cars. So, talagang saved by the crash. Literally saved by the crash.
Yeah.
Si Carlos Sainz.
Mm.
Masalamat talaga siya na yun ang nangyari at the expense of Haas and Checo.
Uh,
Grabe, no?
So akala,
yeah, everyone
Oo.
thought it was over. Di ba? For Perez, for Sainz. Everyone thought it was over. Including
Yeah.
me. Talaga napagano na ako. Isip ko, sayang.
Miles,
Yun lang
are
pala.
you okay?
and then
Miles, time out
Miles?
saglit. Miles, you okay?
mic test. Wala pa din.
So, no audio at the moment.
All right.
Miles?
So,
Okay.
He'll keep trying.
saved by the crash,
Checking.
going back. That's the highlight of the race. I think we're
No,
done.
no, no. Akala
Joke,
natin,
joke.
akala natin ito lang. Aba,
Meron pa, yung
nagpabi-
dalawang Alpine.
Nagpabida
Ito.
din pala itong dalawang Alpine. Nagpabida din. Dito ako
Ay,
nainis.
nako.
I mean, Ocon and Gasly, they were told before the race na there's no racing, ha. Hindi kayo pwede mag-racing with each other. Kailangan lang talaga nating tapusin itong karera. Less damage, ganyan-ganito. Pag nakakuha tayo ng yellow flag, red flag, baka makachamba tayo for points. Pero maganda ang position ni Gasly dito, sabi ng team. So, hindi kayo pwede magkarera kayong dalawa. Biglang all of a sudden, Ocon
Binangga.
attack Gasly. This is a real joke ba, no? I mean, alam mo ng Monaco yan. And this is not even an overtaking turn, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi, doon ka, maghintay ka doon sa tunnel kung gusto mo. Pero,
Saka overtake ka on the inside. It's not on the tunnel, normally on the inside, not there. So,
Di ba?
Yeah.
come on. Ayan, ito pa. Ito pang isang angle dito. Ay, nako. Miles, sige daw, subukan natin.
Ang saklap.
Miles? Wala pa.
Andyan si Max.
We're checking.
Wala pa din.
Wala pa
We're
rin.
checking. Okay.
Wala pa.
So, here's the restart. Practically, yun pa din ang kanilang positions. So, eto, makikita natin, nauna pa din si Charles, sunod si Oscar Piastri and Carlos Sainz. Okay. Magaling ang strategy ng Ferrari dito. If you listen to their radios. Kasi this race is not about speed. It's not about overtaking. It's about management, and it's about, driving slow to prevent other teams to do their plans.
Yeah.
Like, for example, nakita natin, masyado nang nauna si Charles, tapos biglang nagminor siya, lumapit siya doon kay Oscar Piastri, dahil ang reason ni Ferrari is that would prevent Lando Norris or Oscar Piastri to pit. Kasi since the red flag, they all changed their tires, lahat hards except itong si Russell, Verstappen, and Hamilton, which nag-medium sila. So eventually, they would still have to pit. Pero yung top 4 cars, they used hards na. So all the way na to the checkered flag itong gulong nila. So nag-manage din si Carlos na to leave a bit of a gap from him and Oscar Piastri para nga maipit si Lando Norris. So wala. I mean, merong nag-mention dito sa kanina na yung engineer ni Charles Leclerc, sinabihan pa siya na, kasi si Charles may sinasabi pa na gap, may sinasabi pa na pace, pero sabi nung bago niyang engineer is, we are not interested. Tapos sabi ni Charles, ano yun? Parang nasaktan daw siya. Tapos sabi nung engineer niya, sorry, pero just concentrate on the race. And then Russell was also told na it's useless to drive fast on this race. So, kaya yun. They just maintain their pace. They just maintain their parade. As Miles said, this is a parade of cars.
Yeah.
Pero at least, we saw a very good strategy on the Scarlet team na to prevent the two papayas to go on with the plans that they were planning to do. So yun. No, we are not interested. We know. Okay, yeah, Joshua, yeah, tama. Medyo nasaktan si
That's rude. Yeah, sabi ni
Yeah,
Denise.
that's rude. Yeah.
Yeah, that's rude.
Yeah.
Ngayon si Hill may
Tama
sinabi na sana dapat i-medium, sabi ni Hamilton. So, yeah, sometimes,
Yeah.
So nagbaliktad tuloy sila from hard
Yeah.
to medium.
actually, there was
Sayang
a part of the rule for this one that you have to at least one tire pit stop, no? So, ginawa na nila yung dun after the crash. So that's why most of them opted not to all the way na yung kanilang mga gulong. Yeah, sometimes lang syempre they go slower on the corners para hindi makapag-overtake. That's why a lot of drivers right there are really complaining that they are bored with this race. So it's too slow. Yeah, so
Well, anyway, so dito din sa karera na ito, nakita na naman natin na si Manong Fernando Alonso is a team player. Wala na siyang magawa kasi nandun siya sa bandang huli. Binigyan niya ng malaking gap si Lance Stroll. No? Binigyan niya ng malaking gap para at least pag pit ni Lance Stroll, ang labas niya, the same position pa din siya. However, nag-work yung plan na yun, pero however, nagkaroon pa din ng puncture si Lance Stroll, and this is the next slide. Ito, nagulat din ako, baka another red flag na naman. Buti na lang, yung gulong lang niya ang na-damage. Nakapunta pa din ng pit yung kanyang kotse. So, okay, cleared na naman yung racetrack. And ito lang yata ang the best move sa karera na ito, no? Between Valtteri Bottas and
si
anong tawag ito? The
Albon.
Williams of Logan Sargent.
Logan Sargent ba?
Yeah. So yan lang yung pinakamagandang overtake na nakita ko, and then the rest was all praying for a good race for Charles, di ba? All the way, and goosebumps nga for the last 10 laps. Biglang nabuhay naman yung Ferrari ni Charles. We saw how Charles managed his tire. Kaya yun, biglang nabuhay, and the gap was like 8 seconds na away from Oscar Piastri. And Oscar Piastri was struggling because hinahabol nga niya si Carlos, kaya si Charles, kaya medyo pudpud na yung kotse niya. Kaya he was also pressured. He was also attacked by Carlos Sainz. Buti na lang he was able to maintain his position, and for the first time in the history of Monaco, a Monegasque, a local, took the checkered flag first. And then we have Oscar Piastri, Carlos Sainz, Lando Norris, George Russell, the new tire whisperer. Imagine, medium tire for 77 laps or 76 laps.
Yeah.
Hindi
Walang
siya
palitan.
nahabol ni Max Verstappen. So, well, anyway, that's the Monaco Grand Prix. Congratulations, Charles. Congratulations to all the tifosis, and of course, congratulations to Monaco for having their first son to win a Monaco Grand Prix. And a prestigious race at that, di ba, Jong?
Yep.
So, Charles Leclerc, Oscar Piastri,
Of course.
Carlos Sainz, the top three, followed by Lando Norris, George Russell, Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton, Yuki Tsunoda, Alexander Albon, and thankfully, another 1 point for
Pierre Gasly.
Pierre Gasly. And meron ding nakahula nito na sana magkaroon na din ng first point ang Williams, which is
Si
ayan na nga.
Albon, yes.
Meron na.
Ah.
Okay.
Miles, you're
That's
okay?
the analysis. Miles, musta?
Wala.
Wala pa din.
Wala pa rin.
Sige, dyan ka lang.
Miles, may
Tambay
message
ka lang.
ako. May message ako. Message. Check mo. Alright.
Check mo na lang.
So,
just,
let's check.
Just
Wait
Ano
lang.
lang muna,
Check lang muna natin ang driver standings. Okay, Max Verstappen,
Okay,
Red Bull, 169. Charles Leclerc, Ferrari 138. So palapit na ng palapit ang gap. Lando Norris on third, replacing Sergio Perez, 113. Then Carlos Sainz, 108. Sergio Perez, 107. Oscar Piastri, 71. George Russell, 54. 42 for Lewis Hamilton. Fernando Alonso, 33. And Yuki Tsunoda, 19. Teams, we have Red Bull for having 276 points. Ferrari, 252.
Closing in.
McLaren 184, Mercedes 96, Aston Martin 44, RB 24, Haas 7, Williams 2, and Alpine 2. Sauber 0 pa. And see you all sa Canada 2024 Montreal.
Yep,
07
madaling araw.
to 07 to 9 June. Madaling araw ito ng 10. Madaling araw ng Lunes. Puyat-puyat na naman tayo pero
Yep.
okay lang.
Yam, nag-comment dito si Hill. Second lang po si Leclerc na Monegasque na nanalo sa Monaco. So who's the first? I'm not
Who's
quite
the
sure.
first?
Yeah. Luis
Andy.
Chiron is the first Monegasque then. Ayun. Take note.
Ah,
Yep.
Luis
okay.
Chiron.
Hill.
Pala, Luis
Yan
Chiron.
pala, ano.
Yeah,
That's right, siya
okay.
yung pinakauna na
Yeah.
Nananalo
So
sa
siya
Monaco.
ang pinakaunang nanalo sa Monaco.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you for the
Thank you for that.
Thank you for the
Oh,
trivia.
medyo na-carried away ako.
Yeah. So but still there are lots to ponder with the win of Charles right here. Aside from,
93
merong ang
years yung gap
cursed
from the
something,
first
no?
winner.
Cursed.
3 years, no?
Yeah.
Tagal na, no? Grabe.
Have you
Crazy,
researched Luis Chiron? When was
Wala.
this year?
Pero, yeah, just yung mga yung mga, kasi na-mention rin yan during the broadcast It was really emphasized during the broadcast nung pagkapanalo ni Leclerc na he was the first Monegasque
Really?
in 93
Okay.
years. After 93
Baka
years, siya yung
Baka yung
Nanalo.
first Monegasque hindi pa sanction ng F1 or hindi pa siya Grand Prix.
kasi that was,
Diba? May mga
1930s
race.
pa, so,
Yeah.
Kasi
Because-
the Grand Prix format na as we know it more or less, yung modern F1 if you will, started mga 1950s yan, di ba? So itong pinag-uusapan nila about Louis Chiron was in the 1930s.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's a piece of F1 history for you all. Very
Yeah.
very much ingrained talaga itong Monaco in F1 history. Kaya hindi siya basta-basta pwedeng tanggalin sa calendar. Well, that and the ridiculous amount of money that they no doubt get from the government. Pero yeah, it's mostly about the history really. So yeah, thank you for that bit of trivia right there. Really appreciate it, Joshua. Thank you for the trivia right there. Now,
Andy,
just
Andy, Andy, tinan mo yung message ko. So I think,
we'll have a look at that.
so I
Pero
think,
just going back to the just quickly going back to the race kung nagtataka kayo bakit dire-diretso na yung karera after the red flag, di ba usually may mandatory pit stop po tayo, di ba? At least one pit stop. That was done during the red flag.
yeah.
Kaya
Yeah.
after the red flag, kaya nga wala nang nagpalitan ng gulong after that. So again, hindi lang pala si Sainz ang na-save ng crash, no? Hindi lang si Sainz ang na-save ng nangyari sa sa Red Bull. Pati si Leclerc in effect. In fact, everyone who stayed on track, everyone who survived, if you will, their race was saved by the red flag. Kasi hindi na sila nagpalitan ng posisyon.
Yeah. If,
So, yun, crazy pa rin ang Monaco. Kahit,
yeah.
okay, 90% was boring. walang nangyari. Pero pag every time may nangyayari, talagang significant yung impact, di ba?
Yeah, kasi
So let's carry on.
if there was a pit stop, anything can happen eh. All of them are required to do the pit stop. And of
Absolutely.
course, in the pit stop where the team must adjust because it's very difficult to overtake. So, tama ka, saved by the crash. I think the top 10 or the top 3 podium finishers were saved by the crash because anything can happen in the middle of the pit stop, 'di ba? So, magkamali yung isang ano doon, magkamali yung isang crew doon or whatsoever or anything, wala. So, really, it really saved the top 3 podium finishers, especially, of course, Sainz because
Yeah.
we all,
Okay.
yeah.
Sagutin natin itong si Vandolph, no? Vandolph, I thought mandatory talaga pit stop. Yes,
Yun na yun.
mandatory yung pit stop, correct. Pero, um, during the red flag, they were able to change the tires. They were able to repair. So, yun na yung free pit stop for all. So, bale, yun na yung first pit stop ng lahat. Ang kailangan
Yun.
lang talaga sa buong race, kailangan mo mag-pit stop kahit once. Kailangan mo magpalit ng gulong kahit once. So, they did that. So, yun na yun. Free pit stop for all na yun. Tama. Oo.
Yun,
Correct.
exactly. Free pit stop. Yeah, that's the term.
Yeah. Miles, how are you?
Check by.
Yun! What happened?
Better.
Una sa lahat, binabati ko lahat ng magandang gabi. Mukhang nakakalahati na isang oras. Sorry about that. I think there's a problem with my OBS.
Okay.
Ah.
Kasi parang, I did the microphone check and everything. No, anyway, continue nyo lang yung mga pinagdi-discuss. Yung mga gusto ko sabihin, nasabi nyo na. But anyway,
Yeah.
dito lang ako. Comment lang ako kung meron akong if I will
Yeah.
need to add something.
All right. So, Andy, I
Ay,
think
Shaira.
Yes.
Shaira, Janina,
Message.
thank you, Shaira, for your wiki research. As per wiki, he was correct. Chiron was first, not sure, baka may open era sa F1. Yeah. I really thought it was, I don't even care sa iba, basta I'm really happy for Charles during that race, no? Imagine, nung bata ka pa, nakikita mo yung grandstands tinatayo every year, tapos biglang, alam niyo yun, biglang nasa top ka ng podium. And the Prince of Monaco even cried because, he heard their national anthem played on the top podium. So, I mean, it was a really proud moment for the country. Kaya yun, baka yun nga. Baka unang karera na ginawa, nanalo si Chiron. Pero kung pag-usapan natin is yung F1 na, baka si Charles ang nauna. Yan.
yeah.
Thank
Wala
you for
pang-
all the
Oo.
clarifications. We learned a lot tonight.
Yeah.
Wala
But
pang
Considering
internet.
ang
Wala pang
liit-liit
internet
nung
kung
wala pang Tsaka considering din na wala masyadong nangyari pero ang dami nating natutunan because of our comments section.
yes, thank you. F1 during
Yes,
the era was in
absolutely.
a limbo. Oh, yeah. Most probably. It's just one of those races, more or less. Malapit ko nang makabiso ang Italian. Please ko sana Ferrari. Makabisado. Okay. So, Andy, I think we have to change. Did you got my message?
Yep. We're good.
Yeah,
We're
okay.
good.
So since na
Okay.
open up yung Chiron, we're crashing that one on our question and answer. Alam yata na mga
Miles,
Sige.
bye. Miles, may tanong ako sa iyo, Miles.
Sasabihin ko na lang.
Yes.
Okay. Ang tanong ko is,
Yes.
kagaya nung tanong ko kay Jong kanina, when I first
Okay.
watched F1, it was during the Jenson Button and that BAR Honda. So, pero kayo, alam ko nauna pa kayo, and during that time, Ferrari, McLaren talaga ang nasa una, and then ngayon makikita natin nasa unahan na naman sila. Ano yung na-feel mo niyan, or what can you say about it?
Well, for me, it's good. Well, whether it be a Ferrari or a Mercedes, for me, unang-una masaya ako to see McLaren fighting for podiums again. Okay. And I'm glad to see the Scarlet team and the Orange team the top 2 spots for this race. Okay. Mas lalo ako naging masaya dahil wala akong nakitang Red Bull sa podium. Yun na lang. Kasi
Yes,
hindi sa
exactly.
hindi sa sa opinion ko lang to, baka awayin ako ng mga Red Bull fans, di ba? Parang hindi ba nakakaumay yun, always we get to see Red Bull.
Awayin ka na Adrian
Just like
Newey.
what-
Hanapin ka na.
Just like what we've been seeing for the past years, di ba? Always ang Lewis Hamilton, di ba? So parang naging ganun eh. So it's good to see. Middle, or we are 1/4 or 1/3 away from the season. We get to see more different colors on the podium, different
Yeah.
anthems to play on
Yeah.
the podium. Okay. Ito lang pala guys, since we're done with the race, okay. Has any one of you encountered sa Bain how do you pronounce that? Bain Sports?
Be-in.
Na
Be-in sport.
Be-in. Okay. Did Be-in Sports nagkapalyar ba during that last Sunday? Sa inyo?
Mine was. Yeah.
Okay. Actually, there was received some may nabasa ako mga comments, messages na the Be-in was down. Okay? So, and also kasi as much as possible, I don't want to watch ito yung sabi ko before, I try to watch feeds from different channels as much as possible, hindi English para hindi ko maintindihan yung commentary. But now, during Monaco, I know that Monaco is a snooze fest. I tried to watch. Have you tried watching watch-alongs in YouTube? Okay. Hope you get to, after watching our show, go to YouTube and just search lang F1 watch-alongs, di ba? F1 watch-alongs, nakikita kasi doon. Kasi if you're going to watch sa Sky Sports or any feed from F1, kung ano lang yung nahagip ng camera, yun lang yung papakita eh. Yun lang yung makikita mo. But in watch-alongs kasi, you get to see the whole track. Diba? Ano yung track position ng bawat sasakyan. Tapos depende na rin kung sino yung gagawa ng watch-alongs. May mga data kasi nandun eh. The
But you
time.
cannot see the video. Can you see the video?
Oh, you can see the video. But, yung watch-alongs kasi, Jong, makikita mo mas maraming information eh. Not only on sino yung lahat ng sasakyan na tumatakbo, di ba? Okay. Anyway, I'll try to do a screen grab and post it on our Facebook page, The Purple Sector.
Yeah.
Kung ano
Good,
yung
good.
tiningnan ko na
Yeah.
di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi nakikita kasi din yung tire history. Meron siyang nilagay na tire history, the gap, the time, and basta maraming info. So, while watching it, grabe yung, kumbaga, information overload. Not only on the top 3, top 4 racers, but for everyone. At saka makikita mo rin doon, in real time, yung position ng car within the track. Saka makikita mo lang din na, did you know that the top, ano bang position ni Lewis Hamilton? Like he was in 6 or 7 or 8?
Seven.
Okay.
7, oh.
7.
All cars after Lewis Hamilton has been lapped na. Okay? So nalapan na ng nila lahat yung the rest of the grid, silang lahat, di ba? So parang with that info, parang nalap na nila. So one more, kumbaga sino yung sunod lap, it will be another lap down kasi muntik nang maabutan ni Charles ata who was the last one. I think it was Bottas. Or anyway, I forgot who it was. But makikita mo kasi dun sa watch-alongs. So kaya nga parang yun nga, sinishare ko lang sa inyo ngayon because parang if you want like information overload, you could get it there. Pwede mong isabay, you could watch Sky Sports or BN with that watch along. Kasi live timing, live positioning. So, tsaka maganda. Makikita mo rin doon how Max Verstappen, nung nag-pit, magaling din yung strategy kasi nang na-mention kanina, the strategies. Magaling din yung strategy ng Red Bull, di ba? Because Max Verstappen was sandwiched between two Mercedes guys, di ba? First to pitted was Lewis Hamilton, di ba? While Lewis was on the pit, bigla na lang nag-fastest lap si Max Verstappen. Kasi alam kasi ni Max Verstappen na baka i-undercut siya. Diba? So he was trying to lessen the gap between him, Max Verstappen, and George Russell. Kaya nagtaka ako bigla, parang all the cars were like very slow. Diba? Sa feed ng video, kita mo, wala, snooze fest. But during sa real lifetime sa watch along, real positioning nila, makita mo talaga yung movement. Bigla makita mo, bumilis si Max Verstappen, plus at the same time, bigla naging purple yung kanyang in sector 2, di ba? So yun yung maganda rin para sa watch along, kasi you could get real time sino yung nag-green, sino yung nag-purple sector. Saka bigla si Max Verstappen nagpurple sector na, nagpurple na. Tapos then came Lewis Hamilton, nung lumabas na siya, nagpurple na rin siya. Parang ano kayang nito? So I was waiting for them to do battles, but eventually, well, George, as mentioned, the tire whisperer, was really good at doing a Alonso train with the rest of the guys, di ba? He did an Alonso train. Well, anyway, yun na lang. Short of magandang just watch out for it. After this feed, I will provide a screen grab.
Thank you, Miles.
Watch along.
Ito, Senator Miles, can you type the site? Yep. Sound choppy in my end so I can hear. Yeah. Shaira, we're just gonna, I think, Miles, can you mention it here in this? Maybe after the show. After the show.
Ipopost doon ni Miles ang screen grabs and yung website.
Yeah, the website.
Ipopost niya ni Miles, so no worries.
Yeah.
Yep.
Subukan natin.
Actually, it's not a website. It's a YouTube channel siya.
Okay.
YouTube channel lang.
Alright.
Okay.
YouTube channel siya. Wait.
Alright.
Actually, maraming watch alongs. Kailangan. I'll try to look for it.
Sige. While Miles is looking for it, Andy's gonna prepare for the question and answer right now. But
we're good to go.
Yeah, before that, we're gonna hear some few words from our friends. I usually use the official F1 website for stats, but yeah, there are some channels that shows detailed stats. Yep, definitely. No, just to quick lang. Those detailed stats are the ones that you can see on the pit wall of each and every Formula 1. So, actually, kulang pa yan. Ang dami pa, mga telemetries and everything. So, some of them are being broadcast, so maybe there are some few, I don't know, YouTubers were able to, get some of this because this is online. Baka may nag-hack, may nakitang may nakitang data and it's being, feed to certain channels, so we don't know. There we go. So that's it. So, yep, that's the watch along. But Miles, yan siya, we cannot see the live races. So it's just like that. You see the drawing of the track and yun. I think that's basically
no live feed. No
live feed, yeah.
Basically, this is live, pero you cannot see the actual cars racing on the track.
Yeah,
but this one has, yun na nga, akin na nga, for data eh. Yeah, data eh. Because, live yun na nga, ito lang. You could have the live timing for 3 sectors, the tire history, and the gap in between, diba? So,
yeah.
Ano kaya sinabi ni Dominic dito? Huy!
Ito.
Yun. Sinabi kasi niya na baka kasi
magsasalita sa Golf Williams.
Si Carlos Sainz na. Okay.
Hindi.
Parehas
My name is
kawawa
Carlos.
naman.
I am very proud to be a member of the golf team.
Iba pa
pakinggan
rin
muna natin.
pakinggan no, compared mo sa ano.
Pakinggan
Iba
muna
pa rin
natin yung
pakinggan
dalawang,
compared mo
ano,
sa
Alright.
yung
Okay.
dalawang golf
So,
boys.
while Andy's preparing for the Q&A, coming right up, we're gonna give you
Yep,
the
ready.
2 Williams drivers.
Yeah, let's go. Hi, I'm Alex Albon and I'm a Formula 1 driver for Williams Racing. This year I'm most excited to race at Las Vegas. Firstly, a new race for everyone. The hype already is massive. It's going to be a night race, which is always cool. It's going to be very special. I would describe the Gulf Williams partnership as iconic, beautiful and historical. Being in the driving seat for Gulf and Williams, there was almost a little bit of a feeling of expectation. Two heavyweight names in the world of motorsport. You wear that with pride. I'm of course very excited to get going this year. I'm sure the collaboration between the two of us is going to push us forwards. It's a very iconic brand to be along with Williams, which is also an iconic brand. So that will fuel us into the future and hopefully we can have a good season. No problem. Thank you. Good to go. Hi, my name is Logan Sargent. I am the newest Williams driver for the 2023 season, and yeah, ready to get going. I would describe the new Gulf Williams partnership as historic, unstoppable, and fast. I think having the chance to represent both Gulf and Williams is a really special opportunity. They both have a lot of history within racing, and being able to carry that logo on my suit as well as on the car throughout the year, and it just carries a really special energy. It's definitely special to be the first full-time American since 2007 in Formula One. It has a pretty nice ring to it. I'm looking to represent my country to the best of my ability and make everyone proud. Thanks, guys.
All right, thank you so much, Gulf Oil Philippines. Check out their Facebook page. Drive with Gulf PH. And Andy, what is this? Tape measure. Let me see.
Wala ako dyan.
Para may tape measure.
As you can see, that is a tweet, or well, a post from our favorite former Haas team principal, Gunther Steiner. Hindi niya napigilan sarili niya after what happened with Haas, yung the infringement na nangyari. He posted this on social media.
What's all
Natawa
about?
lang ako.
Ano ba? Yung the gap?
Kasi Jong, ganito.
Yung gap kasi.
Pag open kasi ng DRS, yung gap in between, mas malaki kumpara dun sa regulation. Kaya sabi ni
okay.
Gunther Steiner, you want to borrow my tape measure?
Nakaganti si Gunter.
Ang hapde.
Yeah.
Anyway,
What yan?
yeah. Before the question, before the question and answer, pakita muna natin kasi dun sa as promised last race,
yeah.
because we had a lot of time discussing about what to put on our page. So sabi ni Jong doon, pag may isa na accurately nahulaan niya, kahit dalawa lang yung correct answer, mananalo.
So we're giving
Fortunately Fortunately for tonight, we have a winner, and that winner, ang matatanggap niya is a Gulf Cup. And since nanalo si Charles Leclerc, a limited edition Charles Leclerc, no, not your bag tag. Okay.
Yeah.
So, eto na. And the winner is Denise Marie Layage, P1 Charles, P2 Oscar, P3 Lando. Malayo pa sa
Congratulations.
P4 si Lando eh.
Congrats.
So, Denise Marie Layage, you are here tonight. Congratulations.
Andito si
Ikaw yung
Yes,
may
congrats.
dalawang pinakamalapit na answer doon sa lahat ng mga nag-post. So, congratulations.
Actually, yan talaga dapat
Oo, ito talaga dapat kung na-DNF si Carlos pero he was saved. He was
Tama,
saved
no?
by
Tama.
the
Saved by Joe.
uh,
Save by Joe. Save by Shotty.
Saved by the
Oo.
crash.
Kasi mabagal. Save by Shotty. Mabagal kasi si Shotty.
Hindi,
If
saved
only
by the
Shotty
crash.
crossed the line
Yeah.
earlier. Diba?
Ayun, Denise.
Carlos would have started
Congratulations.
Denise.
You won this one, Denise. There you go. If
Yeah,
di
tama.
ata
Si Denise,
possible
tinan mo.
na
Si Denise,
Yes.
sabi niya, if di ata nag-red flag possible si Lando P3. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, tama, tama.
So, Denise,
You got this,
congratulations.
Denise. We'll be sending this to you.
We send
Congratulations,
your
Details.
shipping
Yeah.
details dun sa aming
Okay lang.
messenger sa Facebook.
Teka lang,
Alright.
Denise. Hulaan ko, McLaren fan ka, ano?
Yeah. Another McLaren fan in the
Dami ng
house.
McLaren
Binamo- Yeah. All right. Nilaglag mo naman si Carlos. Yes.
Denise
she's a
Marie Layagi,
McLaren-
yes.
She's a McLaren fan. Wow. Yeah.
Another McLaren fan. Ano
There-
lang, before we start lang, no, can we just acknowledge yung napakagandang livery ng McLaren this weekend?
Oh, yeah.
Running Senna's colors and Monaco, where Senna won 8 times yun, di ba? He has 8 victories
that I
at
didn't
Monaco.
know.
8 or something like that. Grabe na. Such a beautiful.
Yan ang question, D. How many times did Senna won in Monaco?
Hindi, kasi nasabi ko na yung answer. Let's try
Actually,
though.
Actually, I was really
Sige
hoping.
lang ang mag-judge tonight.
Yeah, let's go back to McLaren quick. I was really hoping that they're gonna do the livery, the typical red, white colors. I was really hoping that one.
Hindi
Yeah.
pwede yun, Jong.
Kasi cigarette
Before.
cigarette
Hindi yun,
sponsor.
hindi yun sponsor colors yun,
Yeah,
A certain brand of
The Senna colors, Jong, are similar to
6 wins. Thank you, Joshua.
the flag.
Ah,
Oh, Senna had 6 wins.
yeah, sexy yun. All right. Denise, ganun talaga pag unemployed. Mainit ang ulo. Pasensya na. Who is this? Sinong... Okay. All right.
Si Sainz, baka gusto mong mag-apply kay Jong.
Okay. King of Monaco is Ayrton Senna. Is that right? Who has the most wins in
times.
Monaco? Ha? I think we have to.
Yep.
We have to check on that. But ang sponsors ng McLaren. Okay. But British American bar or but? Sorry, I didn't get that. No.
Iba
Senna
rin
po.
yun.
Ayun, Hill, thank you. The king of Monaco
Senna.
is Ayrton Senna. Yeah, that's it. There you
Of
go.
course.
That's the helmet that I have back there. So that's the livery. What I wanted sana is the balaclava that they were using in Imola. That was like that colors. So yun.
Yeah, puntahan natin, Jong. Puntahan natin.
British American
Nasaan yan?
Tobacco. Oh, okay. But yeah, there we go. Charles Leclerc, Prince of Monaco. There you go. Okay, Andy,
talaga.
are we ready for question number 1? You're gonna get a TPS
Yes, we
the
are.
Sector Cup. There you go. And I think we're gonna throw in some few stickers. And
Okay.
Yep.
Yep. There we go. Yum. Yum.
So,
Andy.
next
Graham
questions.
Hill is Mr. Monaco for Mr. De Monteverde. Yeah, Graham Hill was also
nga,
good.
Graham.
Graham, of course.
Damon Hill or
Anyway,
Graham Hill?
To our,
Graham.
shall
Graham.
we do our first question of the night?
Yes. First question, go.
Okay, first question of the night is coming up right now.
Pakibasa
So,
Andy,
we
ha?
Charge.
150 meters from the start line, the first right-hander at Monaco gets its name from a chapel built in honor of the patron saint of Monaco. Sino yan?
Who is that patron saint? Tama.
Sino ang patron saint ng Monaco? Yan ang unang tanong natin tonight.
Just 150
Yan lang.
meters from the start line, the first right-hander, ayun.
Konting Google lang yan.
Andy,
Saint
Sandevot.
Devot.
tama
Tama?
ba?
Sandevot.
Saint
Joshua.
Devot.
Wrong.
Sige
Tama.
nga, i-pronounce mo nga, Di.
Di, tama.
I-pronounce mo nga, Di.
Si Ronin James Ompok, tama ba?
Sandevot. Pero ang mag-spell talaga is ano, importante ang spelling natin tonight.
CC Signs.
Is that?
Sandevot.
San Devot.
This is a proper proper noun ito. So talagang hindi natin nakikita dyan sa feed natin kasi naka-caps lahat, no. So I'm looking closely at our replies dito sa Carl Angelo.
Tama to?
Carl Angelo.
Tama si Carl
Carl
Angelo?
Angelo. Sandevot. Naka-caps kasi dyan sa main natin na feed, di ba?
Okay, yes.
So I'm looking at the comment section.
So Carl Angelo got
Sandevot.
it.
Carl Angelo. I'm looking at
Okay,
the kasi yung
so-
spelling at saka caps ang importante. Kung saan
Okay.
yung mga caps natin.
So Carl
Akala
Angelo,
Carl Angelo.
got it. Okay. So
Yun, kita nyo na.
yeah, since Andy is, looking at the actual caps, the actual,
Actual, yung talagang pagkasulat niya na proper noun siya. Na capitalized yung first letter, ganun. Medyo OC ako ngayon.
alright. So
Buti na lang,
Carl Angelo,
buti na lang hindi kita teacher. Di.
Oo nga.
Oo.
Carl Angelo, you got this one right here.
Teacher.
Congrats, Carl.
Yep.
Nakuha ni Carl. Finally daw. Oh, yun.
Yeah, Carl Angelo, you
Congrats.
got it. Wait, I'm just gonna put this up.
Sige, padal.
All right, Carl
Wala
Angelo,
ka pang-
please send us your
sa atin,
details.
no?
Carl, send us your details.
Yep.
All right, next prize right here is a black-white TPS Year 3 cap. It's a trucker cap. Plus, we're gonna put in some stickers, maybe some keychains right there. All right, there we go. Shipping details, please, Carl. Carl Angelo, there we go. Paki-PM na lang. All right, Andy, question number 2.
Okay, question
Sun
number
before.
2 is coming up right now.
Pakibasa di.
Sa Monaco, situated right after the famous tunnel, is the Nouvelle Chicane. Ngayon, Nouvelle is French for blank.
Grabe.
Brain teasers tayo ngayon.
Grabe. Ronin James Ompok. Grabe.
Yun.
Alright.
Nakuha kagad, Ronin.
Ronin James
Congrats,
Ompok,
Ronin.
congratulations. There you go. Ronin James Ompok
Congrats,
wins.
Ronin.
It's called New. So, Ronin
Yeah,
James
so
Ompok.
it's called new kasi bago lang, yan ang isa sa latest na features na inad sa Monaco. It was added in 1986, if I remember. So, kaya siya tinawag na Nouvelle or New Chicane.
Alright.
Pero grabe
Sena
na,
all.
86 pa.
Sana all.
Sena
Alright.
all, my prize.
Here we go. For our final prize for tonight, buti na lang
Ito.
di with yung spelling. It's the cap. It's the podium cap by our friends from Pirelli. There we go. It's authentic. There we go. So Miles is wearing one. We're gonna give it out tonight for the lucky winner who'll be able to answer question number 3. Go, Andy.
Number 3, okay. Ito, pinakamahirap na question for tonight. No, joke lang. Multiple choice ito. So,
Louis Chiron.
madali lang to. Multiple choice.
Yun sana yung first
Louis
question
Chiron.
kanina.
Hindi.
Louis
Multiple
Chiron.
choice. Ito. Okay, third question of the night is coming up right now. Question is, La Rascas is named after A museum, B, a monument, or C, a bar or nightclub.
Letter lang, para
Pabilisan.
mabilis. Letter lang.
Letter lang. Bahala na caps or lowercase.
Larascas.
How do you pronounce that
Yan.
one? Di?
BC talaga.
Justin
Andy.
Dominic Villalon. Wow!
Boom.
Justin
Okay.
Nick Villalon,
Ang
congratulations.
bilis.
You have the right
Belize.
answer.
Yeah,
C.
it is a
So,
nightclub. It's a bar.
It's a nightclub.
Oy!
Yeah. Wow. Congrats, Justin Dominic Villalon. So, sa British pa, it's a pub. Kung French, ano bang bar sa French?
Pub.
Na-delay yung stream, no? Hindi naman. Baka mahina lang yung internet po natin. Hindi naman.
Congrats! Nanalo po si Justin.
Yeah.
Justin Dominic
Mabilis ang
Villalon.
internet
That's
ni
our
Justin.
prize of the night.
Nabilis yung internet.
But
We're running
yeah.
good right here. All
So
right.
yeah, La Rascas is a nightclub. So dyan dumadaan yung final na corner before pabalik yung start-finish line. That's why it's called and it's La Rascas is actually a fish. Konting trivia lang, isda po 'yan. Na native po 'yan sa may Monaco, sa may Mediterranean.
Ayun. Carl
Ang
Angelo.
French
That's
ng
why.
ang French ng ang French ng pub
Nightclub?
yung
Ng
Moulin Rouge.
Moulin Rouge.
Yun, no?
Really?
Yun lang pala eh.
Ito, Carl Angelo. Pero win pa rin. Text niya naman sa papakita ko ako sa mga classmate ko. Saw it with my Mercedes shirt. Yeah, nice. Alright. Lots of
Panalo.
yeah. Alright.
Gil Bautista, bilis, parang Senna.
Yeah.
Joshua Romero, skill issue on my part.
Okay.
Kailan yan, get better.
Sige, ito. We gonna have, guys, we're gonna have another prediction. So Yamboy is gonna do that one again, prediction again. If you get the 3 right, we're gonna give you 3 prizes. If you get 2, we're gonna give you 2. Yung 1, medyo tsamba na yun, no? Wag na. Doon na lang tayo sa
tsamba
2,
na
di ba? So if you
Two
get
or
3,
more lang. 2 or more.
3 correct, we're gonna give you 3 prizes. If you got 2 correct, we're gonna give you 2. P1 max na ulit.
Oh, you never
Alright.
know. Canada yan.
Yeah, it's Canada. It's
Canada yan. Anything
part-
can happen.
part street, right? Part street, part racetrack.
yeah.
So there we go.
And since it's in Montreal, French speaking din doon, Jong. So Nouvelle.
Montreal.
The Villeneuve, ano ba yan, Miles?
Jacques
Villeneuve.
Villeneuve.
Meron pa yung ano.
Gilles
Yeah.
Villeneuve.
Watching a fellow
Di
Tifosi
Jack.
fan. Andrew Rayner,
Gilles
good evening. Thank you so much for watching. Another Tifosi fan in the house. Congratulations, Tifosi.
Nice.
Yun, bawi na lang tayo next race. Tapos bumangga sa Wall of Champions.
Mangga sa Wall of Champions.
All right. I think we're good for tonight. We had fun. I hope you had fun. So before we go, Miles, we missed you for a few minutes right there. I think we're gonna give you the Justin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Justin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Miles, before we go, we're gonna give you the floor right now.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa mga sumama sa atin and spending your Tuesday night once again with us. And yun na nga, apologies for missing almost more than half of the show tonight. Medyo nagka-technical difficulties. But anyway, thank you for joining us. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Alright. Andy?
All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us for tonight's episode. Medyo maikli lang kasi wala masyadong nangyari during the race. But still, this was another fun night with our fellow F1 fans. No? So, thank you so much for joining us tonight. And we hope we will see all of you again after the Canadian Grand Prix. Kailan na yun? Next week ba? Or ano pa?
2 weeks.
Next week ba? Or
From
2 weeks, 2 weeks now. So 2 weeks away. 2 weeks from now, we hope to see you again next, on the next episode of the Purple Sector. We'll see each other again. And of course, we still have our prizes up for grabs,
Yep.
courtesy of our friends from Gulf Oils, Alpine Stars, and of course, Pirelli Tires. So looking forward to seeing all of you again. Until then, everyone, stay safe.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us tonight. I hope you learned something. I know I did. And if
Yes,
not, I
marami
hope
tayong natutunan ngayon
you
actually.
yeah, I hope you were entertained. And yeah, it's a very short presentation, but at least alam mo yun, the discussions that we are having right now is really very nice. We are learning from each other.
Pati sa ating mga friends in the
Yeah,
comment
yeah.
section.
I
Yeah.
learned
Thank
a
you so
lot
much.
from the comment section. Thank you very much. And yun, ang susunod na karera natin will be Canada on June 7,
7, 8,
8, and 9. So, yung mga wala pang pasok, swerte kayo kasi mga August pa yung pasukan ninyo, pero yung mga papasok na ng June, kawawa naman. Hindi na makakapanood. So, yun. And, I mean, just to be honest with you guys, no, pag walang karera, hindi ko nami-miss yung karera, but ang nami-miss ko is yung comment sections and you guys.
Yeah.
Tawatin
definitely.
natin lang yun. no?
Same here.
Oo,
Yeah.
di ba? Alright, so yun, Jong.
All right, so guys, stand by for the prediction that Yamboy is gonna post in a while. And aside from that, I think Miles is also going to post the YouTube channel. So Miles,
Actually, na-post ko na, Jong.
na-post mo.
Yun na lang. Actually, ganito na lang. Jong, let me invite again our friends who is na hindi nagsasawang sumama sa atin every Tuesday night. Nasamahan nyo na rin naman kami sa Facebook natin. If you're going to post something, comment naman tayo. Sagutan tayo doon sa sa comment section
Yep.
sa official page ng The Purple Sector. And it will be fun, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi we'll try to post more content as much as we can. So meron kayong mga pwedeng mapagpiestahan ng comments doon. So we hope we get to see you guys there. Hope we get to see you guys in our Facebook page.
All right, tell your friends about it. Tell your fellow F1 enthusiasts about our page, and let's have fun right here, learning from each other. So, guys, Yamboy, Andy, and Miles, thank you so much for joining us, and yeah, we had fun. I hope you had fun. So we'll see you next Tuesday after the Canadian Grand Prix. So that's it.
All right.
Good night, everyone. Good night, and stay safe. Thank you. Good night. Bye.